Good morning and welcome to Shangri-La here in the Yunnan province. It's the last day actually of my Yunnan trip here, going back on a road trip to fly back from Lijiang later today. But before that we can explore some local parks and other interesting stuff. But first we're going to grab some local breakfast here. The city's just waking up, we have some dogs and small transportation going on. It's very silent here, just some dogs running around. So we'll see what we can find, hopefully some local Tibetan food, so see you in there. Breakfast here. Nice, we got a bit of a local bread here. Let's try it. Getting a lot of great dishes here. Let's try the bread first. Very crispy, very nice. Very interesting. Let's try this one. We have the good dumplings here. Not sure what this is, but some sort of goat cheese. Wow, very creamy. And a bit sweet. Very nice. Actually very tasty. I'd recommend it. Really good. Let's try one of the dumplings here. Looking very tasty. Yak dumpling. Look inside, actually very tasty, very different taste than normal. Little carrots. Highly recommend it. We have some more stuff here. I think we have some yak yogurt and yak milk. Wow, interesting. Okay, let's try the yogurt. Not sure if you can see it, but looking very tasty. Let's have a try. Crunchy, a bit sweet. Yogurt, I love yogurt in the morning, very nice. We have a bit of yak milk here, I think. Let's try it. Interesting. Very sweet also. The tanka definitely has a special taste. Yeah, very nice. Here we got the local chinky, I don't know what it is actually, but it looks interesting. Tamban. Wow, and here we have a whole batch of fresh yak dumplings. Very nice. Okay, let's try this one. It's from a local sort of crop. Very nice. It's a bit sweet, different taste, very healthy. Very good, Angie. Very interesting shape. You make them by hand here. I'd recommend to try if you come here to the Tibetan area of China. So we have 2 eggs for extra protein here. Dip the dumpling in the sauce here. Very tasty. Highly recommend it. Very good. Fantastic stuff. That's very energizing and super tasty breakfast. We have a lot of good energy to go and explore. Just gonna go back in the hotel and get ready for the road trip. So see you on the way. Actually, before we get going, gotta get some energy from this really cozy local coffee shop here. A lot of cozy spots you can find when you're walking around here. They have a lot of local beer and wine and stuff here as well. Just gonna recharge and then we're ready to go. Fantastic. We got the Americano here. Yes, ready to go. A lot of good energy. Yeah, definitely can't survive without coffee. One of those things in life. Amazing. Now we're ready to go. See you on the road trip. Fantastic. So we got everything packed in the car. The weather is amazing. We're ready to go. Leaving this beautiful old city of Shangri-La behind. Going to a bit of a park. Then we're going to come back for lunch. So let's go and explore the park. Okay, so after a 30-minute drive, we arrived at the Potatso National Park. Apparently the first national park in China, according to the driver. Let's see, so we're going to check it out. Fantastic, so we arrived there after a bit of a 20-minute bus ride. We rented some nice bikes, so we're going to bike around the lake, enjoy the environment and the great views here. And we'll see you along the way, so let's get started. Yeah, so we just came and stopped at the first lake here, and we're going to continue back into the next. A lot of stuff to bike around here, but we also have time to go back to the dinner. It's going to be a very nice day, so let's continue. After some nice biking along the lake, we have this crazy view waiting for a boat to take us actually to another lake. We'll see, it's going to be maybe 45 another minutes, and then we're going to continue. Have some local lunch, but very nice. Different type of nature here than when we were hiking, so good to mix it up a bit before we go back to the airport. Okay, let's jump on the boat here. Let's see where we arrive. Yeah, it was very interesting. Great to see some nature, but now it's time to go back and grab some food. Yeah, we didn't have time to see everything, but maybe next time, so see you at the food place. So it is, unfortunately, we ran out of time, so we can't have the local Tibetan lunch. We're gonna have something on the way. Gonna drive back now to Lijiang, but could be worse. Got a coffee here. Great, fantastic weather, so I'm sure we're gonna find something quick on the way. Then just jump in the car now and let's get going. Yeah, so we didn't get the full local experience, but still got some great food here. I'm not gonna record everything, but just want to show you a bit in the background here. A lot of good food to get on the road, so I'm gonna enjoy this a bit and we'll see you a bit later. Okay, so I just said bye-bye to the crew here. Unfortunately, my flight got cancelled, so they put me in this airport hotel. Actually looks very nice, very, very big. Much bigger than my apartment and quite cheap because it's very off, so I'm next to Lijiang airport actually. We were in the airport, we're in the Lijiang city earlier this week. It's very nice actually outside here, but I guess it's in the middle of nowhere, so very cheap, nothing to do. But it's been a lot of eating this week, so I'm gonna go and check out the gym. I specifically asked for that, so let's see if they have something useful in there. Okay, so apparently here we have the gym, clearly a picture of a treadmill, and they actually told me at check-in there's only a treadmill. And well, when I walk in here, this is probably the saddest gym I've ever seen in my whole life. You have a treadmill, you have, I guess, a bicycle here, and this device. Slightly disappointing, I must say, but well, you gotta do what you can with what you have. So I'm gonna step on this and burn some calories. It's all about calories in, calories out if you wanna stay in shape. So I think I'm gonna end it here actually. I'm just gonna spend some fine hours or minutes at least in here, burning some calories and get back on track. And then we'll see. Yeah, it's been a fantastic travel journey with a lot of ups and downs and unexpected twists and turns. Cold times, warms, others. A lot of interesting things and especially a lot of good food in great company. So I'm gonna end it here, and if you want to see more of this kind of random stuff, give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.